Hello! Welcome back to my channel. My bangs are getting very long. So, I tried drying my hair upside down to see if it would get a little more oomph. But, yeah. It's, getting older. My mom's hair thinned out. Okay, I'm back. I had, so, I'm not sure if he was homeless or something, but someone came up and asked me for some change. So, anyway, sometimes, like, when I feel a little uneasy, I'll go ahead and do it. There was a guy next to me also, so I felt like a little comfortable, but I gave him a couple dollars. So, we're across the street from McDonald's, so I'm not going to McDonald's. But we're across the street from McDonald's, and so maybe he'll get himself some food. So I am getting ready to go into the market. I need to get a few things for the house. Not that much stuff. I don't even remember what I was saying before. Oh, my mom. My mom hair thinned as she got older. And I have a lot of gray hair. In fact, I'm probably all gray. And so was my mom. She went gray early. I went gray early. I think I said this before. I've been coloring my hair since I was about 18 or 19. And so, yeah, so this is not my color. It's from a very nice box. But it's actually, I love this. It actually is, it gives me like nice highlights, and it's a little darker here, and so anyway, looks kind of natural. I don't know. I could be lying to myself. So anyway, I'm gonna go inside. I'm gonna get a few groceries and stuff. Start off this week. I got my video up today, which I'm amazed that I actually finished it last night. It was around 10 o'clock. I was really tired, but because I didn't sleep the night before. Yesterday was such a crazy busy day with work, and so it is still really early. It's before 8 o'clock. I had to drop my husband off. So when he got in his motorcycle accident, he got, they didn't find insurance for his bike. So anyway, he's going to the court to take care of the ticket and stuff he has to take care of. So so I dropped him off there. I couldn't go in. Obviously, they said no extra people. So I am going to just wait until he tells me I can. And it said, he just texted me and said that he's it actually says he can't go until he got inside the building, but he can't go into the room till like 8:30. So I have a little bit of time to go home, start some work stuff, and then once he calls me, I'll just run and pick him up. So that's it. Hello. So I took my husband to work this morning. This is probably going to be all jumbling because I'm walking. And so I thought, well, I used to walk early in the morning. And so I decided that's what me and Sadie are going to do. This is a different trail. It's actually that bike path from my other video. But I'm just kind of figuring I could walk on it. And I'll walk to the side when the bicyclists come. And so, yeah, and it's really early, super early. But it's just like the sun just came up. So this is good. This is good. I'm going to get, I don't know how long Sadie can last, but her vet basically said she's overweight. Welcome to the club, girl. She's hanging in there. She made it a little over a mile. We got to get back though. The day ended up just flying by. Just so busy. And just finished with The Masked Singer. My cousin and I watch it over FaceTime. She's in Washington. I'm here, obviously. And we just like watch it. And then we watch it. we talk to each other and we like give our opinions, think who it is, stuff like that. All I can say, this is all I'm gonna say, the right person got voted off. If you don't watch it, doesn't matter. If you watch it, you're probably saying yes, she's right. I said the right person got voted off tonight, so good thing. I also watch Big Brother. I think what I do is I watch things that are kind of short, like they have an ending, and then maybe there'll be another season where there'll be another group or something like that, but it's like they're short. I don't know. That seems to be what I kind of do. So anyway, tonight is the finale for Big Brother, but I'm recording it, so I'll watch it tomorrow because I'm kind of beat. It was kind of crazy today. There was a lot happening between work and just responsibilities and stuff like that. So I had to go to campus. So if I go to campus, I actually have to get on our app and log in and do the COVID test before I can go to campus. And basically it says that I am okay. Like I don't have a fever, I don't have cough, I don't have this, I don't have that. It's pretty specific. It literally says, have you had diarrhea in the last 14 days? Okay, this is like way too personal. But it literally says in parentheses, including loose stools and something else. So okay, the sun is like in my eyes. I just finished at Kohl's. I picked up a long sleeve athletic. I ordered these online, so I picked up an athletic, like thin little jacket to wear when I walk in the morning. I wanted that, and then a couple long sleeve shirts that were on sale, and there was a 20% off thing, and then I had some rewards money to use or something. Anyway, so I used all that and I got some really good deals, so I'm really excited. So anyway, I just bought those 3 items. So that's all I did. I am super excited because just a few hours ago, like maybe 2-3 hours ago, the CDC opened it up. No more no sale order, but a 40-page document that says what they need to do. So there's going to be a lot going into this, and so who knows when they will actually be able to actually cruise with passengers based on everything it's in that document, which is probably a lot. I haven't heard everything. The vloggers are getting that information out there and trying to go through it and decipher it and see what's going to happen. I heard they're going to do some trial runs with like the what do you call it, like the employees, and then maybe some like small groups, and then finally get like the full passenger going. So how long that takes, I don't know, but all these vloggers are gonna get us that information, and then we're gonna find out soon, right? Find out soon. Well, I am out to run a few more errands, and then I have got to get back and finish up some stuff. I was going to run by the office, which was my plan, and I got an email saying that they didn't deliver from the package yet to my office, so I'm going to have to wait until Monday to get that. But I'll email the students, and that'll take care of that. So, all right, I'm off again. So I finally made it home. I was supposed to film today. Didn't. But I ended up going to the store and getting some bread, which we needed. And then I saw rotisserie chicken, and I thought, that's dinner. So I just put it in a bowl with some rice and beans I had in the fridge, and I called it a day. And so, put some hot sauce on there, and I'm good. So my back started hurting again. So, hate that. Hate that feeling. It's 9 to 5. No, before! Oh! I know, I told you where we had to finally, I actually got the, what do you call it? The media mod for my GoPro 9 finally in the mail. Comes a bicyclist. And so I am checking out to see how the sound is. I am like close to a road, but not near a road. Now I am checking this out. Alright, so it's pretty nice. It clipped on, obviously it makes it a little bit bigger, and as everyone knows, the media or the GoPro Hero 9 is a little larger than previous models. So it obviously makes it slightly bigger, and the case is pretty much like a metal case, and so, whew, little tiny bugs. Okay. So I'm near this lake here. If you can see it, it's like a little river lake or something. So last night I made a couple Everly plates, and I tried the flatbread, which I'll put a picture here. I didn't focus on what do you call it, filming it. So you guys have seen me cook a lot, and it's a recipe, so if you wanted to get it, you have a recipe for it, and I'm sure there's a video out there somewhere on it. So anyway, the flatbread was really good. I actually added some different toppings like chicken and olives, mushrooms, stuff like that. So I just added some additionals. And then I also made some stuffed burgers and some like potato wedges. So, and I haven't had those yet. I'm gonna have that probably tonight. I just made it, whoops. I just made it so, come on. I just made it so it'll be ready, so I don't have to cook again tonight. So, it'll be a busy day, always busy day. I just got out of Walmart. I just had to get a whole bunch of things back there. Dog food, toilet paper, some things. They say we're gonna go, like, people are gonna start hoarding toilet paper again. I kind of noticed that when I went in there. There's a lot gone. But we seem to manage pretty well with just getting what we have. I have like some rolls at home and some rolls here, but just in case. You never know. Anyway, had to pick up a few things. I'm gonna go home and make a roast. I have a roast here, and I have a lot of veggies, carrots, things at the house. So I thought I'd make a nice little roast. The other thing is, I told you that on Saturday, definitely today, I was going to like spill the beans. My weight. Okay, so on October 1st, which I think I put the video up on October 2nd, I'll link it below. I was 170.6. And I was kind of okay with that because I was actually at my heaviest in the summer. I was 178. It's pretty bad. So I actually was able to get down to the 170.6, and I was pretty happy with that, but I definitely wanted to get into the 160s by the end of October. And I actually was fluctuating back and forth. I was going 169, then 168, and then 169, and then 170, and then 168. It was back and forth, back and forth. So by the time I got on in November 1st, I was literally 170.6, which is exactly the weight I was on October 1st. It was crazy. And it sucked. But I know what I did. I wasn't moving enough. I wasn't going and watching my food intake. I wasn't doing any of that. So, got hair sticking out. So, that's the deal. That's where I was. What I've been doing, I'm going to tell you what worked and what didn't work. What worked is I was doing the intermittent fasting, and I actually did really like it. And that's when I was noticing I'd go down a couple pounds. And then when I'd go off intermittent fasting, I would go up. So intermittent fasting was working for me. The other thing that was working is when I moved more, I felt good and I felt motivated. I have to tell you, when I was not moving and I went through some really hard times in the month of October personally, that I noticed that obviously I eat more, I'm a stress eater, and I wasn't moving my body. I was just kind of hanging out and working and sitting at my desk, and so I wasn't moving more. So my thought process towards the end of October was that I really needed to get out of that mindset and do things that make me happy and keep me at peace. And so one of those big things is that I'll do a portion of the intermittent fasting, but I think I'm going to change the hours just because when the time change hit, it totally threw me off. And I'm also been walking every single day. So if you're not following me on Instagram, I usually will post some stuff on Instagram, sometimes of my walking and stuff. I'm pretty much doing the same walk. I'm not doing different things. Although I really did want to go on a hike today with my grandkids and kids. And I ended up not even bringing it up as soon as I was told by my husband that it was going to rain this weekend. So I was like, oh, that sucks. So I figured hopefully it'll clear up by Wednesday, which is a holiday for us, or by next weekend. So, and get a hike in. But during the week, Monday through Friday, for about a week and a half now, I have been walking with my dog, which the vet also says she needs to lose about 10 pounds. So we've been walking anywhere from 2 to 3 miles a day. So I've been getting in around 7 to 10,000 steps a day by the time I'm all done. And I'm actually been feeling really good lately. And I think that really has been helping my mindset, my attitude, my whole, whatever. So I have really been thinking a little more positively, a little more peaceful. Whoa. Parking lot issue. And so I've been doing that a little bit more. And so that has really been helping. So that is the deal. That is where we're at. And so basically, I'm going to tell you the intermittent fasting, that did work. Me not getting my butt up to move more, that obviously didn't work because I was sitting on my butt. So now that I'm moving more, I'm thinking, okay, well, let's see how it goes. Literally, I can't believe I'm literally down to the 10th. I'm the same freaking weight. So I am going to be weighing myself once a week. I think just to know, see if I'm going in the right direction or not, then I think that'll be better. I do pretty well at holidays. I don't overindulge too much. I know when to stop. I know when I'll feel like blah. And so those things don't really worry me too much. So that is it for the day. And I hope you are having a safe day. Take care and have a great day. This is what happens when you're not paying attention. Because I was too busy working on video clips. You're not getting my sunrise.